Sad boy. All right. Gonna pull this seat out and see what we are up against under this floor. It sure is a nice towel though. What's the date on this boy? Look at that. Friday, July 25th, 1980. Ooh. 79 Ranchero, 7,300 bucks. It's only a year old at that time. 80 Datsun pickup, $6,000. Huh. This will be fun to look at. And the whole thing's intact. Huh. SK, I don't know how old this is, but it looks well lived. That's the carpet. Actually, it looks like it was a nice carpet set. Let me get the seat belts out. All right. Have you ever just pulled something up and then just like breathed a huge sigh of relief? Holy cow, they're beautiful. They're literally beautiful and perfect. I know you can't see it with the light. They're perfect. Freaking perfect. I am so excited. Wow. I'm stoked. I can literally just start putting sound deadening down. I'll pull the rear seat out too. Dang, I'm so happy. Let's hope that underneath the seat's just as good. We got a winner. She's good. Just gotta pull off the whatever factory tar paper stuff. But we're good. We are good. I didn't see a build sheet. This one had this tag. We're gonna redo these seats though, so maybe once I take that all out, maybe there might be something, but I don't think so. All right, I thought I was gonna have to get like some POR 15 or something for some areas, but I don't. I can just get right at it. Cool. Get that stuff right there, see what that does. Oh yeah. Find any money in here? No, I didn't find any money.
Yellow is the new green.
All right, we're neck deep in this job.
Balls.
Or balls deep. No rhyme or reason, just putting it where it fits, avoiding floor holes for the mounting points of seat belts and seat. And yeah, that's it. Am I professional? No. So I guess next time you're gonna see this is when this floor area is done. Not this back, but this floor. If we have enough.
And we'll probably pull this out and do it right the second time.
Yeah, we're gonna tear it all up and maybe use these as templates to make perfect pieces.
Oh, we can order a sheet custom made out of these. We'll number them. CNC it.
Yeah, we'll CNC this whole thing.
Yeah. Like order a carpet kit but made out of this. We should have stuck this to the carpet.
Okay, bye. Should we show them our job or are we embarrassed?
I don't care, it's not my car.
Bam! Look at that.
Only took 2 days.
What did it take, like an hour and a half?
Yeah, I'd say, yeah, 2 hours.
Oh, you forgot to clean up that chunkage, that fudge chunkage down there.
Fudge chunkage? Oh, that's my brownie mix.
Your brownie mix is still down there. So this sheet right here, the partial sheet, and these scraps is all we have left out of 180 millimeter, 36 square feet box of mat. But it goes up to there. I don't know. There's lots of places we had to quilt together, but from back here you can't tell. I mean, you probably can if you're sitting there analyzing the video like a jerk face. But we kept it around the bolts for the seat belts and the seats. So now,
I think it turned out great.
should we grab the carpet and just set it in here?
Yes.
Yeah? Okay.
And then we'll just throw the seats.
No, we'll just set the carpet here though.
Okay.
Okay. All right, I set the carpet in there last weekend just to kind of get it maybe relax or start forming, but I don't think it's changed since I set it down in there. So I'm gonna pull this out. I'm gonna vacuum and clean this area up. I think since this carpet might fold over this edge a little bit, I wanna go ahead and just do a quick mat on this front ledge right here. I'll do the rest later, but I just wanna get this front one done. That way I can fold this over if I have to and maybe glue it if I have to. We'll see. So I'm gonna get this cleaned up, get this taken out, and trying to kind of wait for it to heat up in here a little bit, because I think if it's warm, it might have a better chance of actually forming and relaxing. So waiting for my slave labor to get here to help out. These kick panels, these are homemade. Don't get mad at me, I'm gonna ditch them. They're pretty toast from what you can see here, so don't get mad at me for getting rid of those. New like plain kick panels. I think they're basically probably just cardboard cutouts. 20 bucks from Speedway Motors. I'm gonna put those in, and it doesn't need to be anything fancy, but yeah, those are garbage.
I don't mind if you get me, I just say some stupid things.
Okay, we're putting in the rear carpet first, and we're using the method where you find the hole with the nail.
She hates it.
Find the hole.
I'm trying.
Why is it taking you so long?
I have this problem at home too.
Dude, give me your wife's number.
Can't wait for the invention of sex bots.
I need her to scold you.
She scolds me all the time.
Emasculate you.
Done.
You're doing it, Peter. You're doing it. It's pretty much right in line right here.
Don't call it Peter. Am I in line with it?
I think you're about there, yeah. I mean, it's pretty close.
Oh yeah. Can't help it, you screwed me up for life. Dude, I look like I'm a little forward to the steering wheels.
Isn't your finger underneath looking for the hole?
Oh yeah. Yeah, I need to use 2 fingers.
The finger as your guide, you must use.
Oh, that's the thing. I got to use my middle finger and my index. That's okay. I think it's right there. Okay. Stick it in.
Oh, dude, don't do that. That just hurt us watching.
Hammer fist. I think I missed. Yeah, Greg, come over and help me.
How many people and how much time does it take to put a nail in a carpet?
Am I too far towards the humpalones? No mas humpalones.
You got it?
Dude.
Do you want an actual hammer?
No, the flesh on my hand is supple. I think I'm on it. It's just there's a...
Use this.
I'm gonna use a flat...
No, use this.
Oh yeah, that's probably things built in like 1902.
I don't think you got it.
Use
as a hammer?
A hammer, yeah.
Well, that's for building houses.
What the? We should have filmed the first one. No, the second one's always better.
Well, because when we do the second one, it's supposed to look like we know what we're doing.
Now I got the pressure of the stupid camera on me.
Dot, stop using your hand.
I'm not even to the carpet yet. Ow. Yeah, it's there.
Are you kidding me?
No, I'm gonna use this thing. See? Use the tape measure. It's not a hammer, but the roller's shaped like one.
Okay. Now you got the camera.
It's gonna get funky. Oh, wait, give me channel locks. Emergency channel lock relief.
Emergency channel lock.
Matt.
Emergency Matt.
I can't see if I'm in frame.
Ah! That mother effer is still hot. Oh my gosh, I'm so not comfortable yet.
You look fine.
Your mom looks fine.
No. Sorry, Mom, if you see this video, I know you're a Nova liker.
Oh, I just burnt my carpet almost.
Hey, let's do this on video. First, we must heat the sockets.
It was still really hot, so it might not take as much as last time.
Yeah.
Once we get her golden brown.
Does this camera have a steady hand feature to it?
Yes.
You're gonna need it.
Okay, here we go.
My adrenaline. Okay, let me get the channel into my usable hand. Maybe, yeah, you need a steady hand on your hand. So sexy. Oh yeah.
Get the plug. Get the whole plug.
I'm trying. It's not easy, Tatum. Oh, I got the worst part. What are you doing? Are you nuts? Get that on my face.
This looks so much snappier than the first one we did.
Oh, we just need to put a razor blade there. No, okay, fine. I'm not reaching in there.
Use your surgical tools.
Surgical. This is how you remove the exciser number 9. You just string a piece of plastic across your carpet. Yeah, we're gonna have to use that. Let it chill for a little bit. We'll cut it out.
Can you see the hole?
Yeah. Oh, yeah. That's actually good. It's worse than the first one, but it's better than the rest are gonna be. So.
Okay, guys, you can do yours a lot differently. You can do yours better. Let's get the bolt in, and then we'll do the rest, and we'll show when we're done.
This is what economy looks like.
This is what happens when you buy the cheap carpet.
Give you herpes.
So back carpet is anchored down. We cut our holes for the seats. It's weird it has 2 holes. And then just one.
Saw your butt weight right there.
Yeah, we double teamed all these holes.
Tag team.
Seat belts are not tightened down, but they're there to just kind of anchor the carpet. And then we're going to do about that crinkle. So we're going to have to definitely cut the corners and the sides. But we're not going to cut until we get the front piece in. We're going to get both carpets in before we trim the sides and around the back and the wherever it needs to be trimmed. So I think what we're going to do is like we did last time is we did some Gorilla Tacky glue across. Oh yeah, read. Please read. Like you're reading an auction there.
I've been huffing, so it's...
We glued the center support and then down the tunnel, and we're going to do similar. We're just going to glue right up the center just to kind of hold it in somewhat place. I don't want to glue the whole thing on, just in case I ever have to peel it back to run anything under the carpet. So we're going to do that now. And there's nothing really much to show you. We'll cut the holes for the frontsies. You drive?
I drive, Papa.
You're such a big boy.
I know.
Such a big boy.
I make poopies.
Okay, this is getting weird. Okay, front piece is in ish. We got the seat belt holes there. We heated up for the studs for this, for the throttle pedal. Same way we did the other holes.
I always heat up the studs.
Now we just have to cut for the dimmer switch and then
take it outside and drive it.
Start trimming. I can always just leave it like this. The carpet is overhang like this.
No trim panels, no kit.
Yeah, we won't trim nothing.
I like it. I think it looks
kind of like a raw but clean look.
rat rod.
There it is.
Ish.
Oh, there's a chunk of carpet right there. $200 carpet. Actually, is not too bad. The stuff that he's touching right now, you're not going to see any of that.
Seats.
Yeah, but this back part was a total pain. We got a little foreskin on the tunnel right there. That we tried different ways of.
But when it's warm, it's going to look real good.
Getting that out. Yeah. When it gets hot out, it's going to be way better. It's just cold and crinkled right now, so.
It's going to grow like 6 inches.
But this back part was probably the worst part. Sides went fine, just slowly trimmed. Gonna probably get new sills. Got the holes cut for the pedal, for the dimmer. Turned out really clean. I'm not gonna final cut these until I get the kick panels. I don't know, I'm pretty happy with it, aren't you?
Yeah, I think it turned out nice.
Should we grab that lower bottom seat and see how it covers this?
It's not bad for 2 old dudes in a garage. Gosh.
It should just slide right in. That's what she's. What?
You mean that's what he said?
Ooh, look how nappy the seat is.
That's a bit dirty.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. I like how it like rides the foreskin. Really
Yeah,
nice.
it rides the foreskin rider.
Put a finger on there. Yeah. I would sit on it, but my butt's afraid.
Yeah. I don't know, guys. It's $200 carpet, so I probably should have sprung for the $400 stuff. What did you just do? You gotta be careful. You don't know what's been there.
It's antique. It's vintage.
Yeah, you'll get some vintage freaking
Mouth
chlamydia or mouth chlamydia or something.
Lithidema.
I don't know. Pretty happy with it. I'm not gonna put the seats in. Did you just put schmutz in there? Jeez. Because I got seat covers on the way, so this will be the last you see of this nappiness.
I didn't realize how bad the back.
I didn't realize how bad it was either until you just put that back in here.
You get that junky old carpet out and you put this fancy new stuff in. Now the whole car needs a paint job, reupholstered, everything.
No, that's the only thing that's good about this car is it looks good from the outside.
Yeah. You get out your tetanus shots and you get on the inside.
There it is. That's how I did the carpet. Nothing fancy, but I say do it with a buddy because it makes it a lot better for one guy pushing the carpet in the crevices and the other guy cutting and marking.
A lot better for the entrance.
Yeah, I don't know. I'd be like a slug out here more than I am.
Carpet would be upside down.
Kick pad would be back here.
Yeah, the front and back would be swell.
All right,
I think it looks good.
that's it, guys. So next thing will be the seats, and I actually got some cool stuff for the seats to kind of modernize it. Seat heaters. So I'll be integrating those when I do that. But for now, this is it. Rag me in the comments. I don't care. It's not your car.
Blame it on the helper.
Yeah, it's his fault. So.